This could be a fight to the death. A male's enormous nose both filters out the dust, but at this time of year it also serves a very different purpose. It impresses the females, and the bigger it is, the better. This old male knows what it takes to hold their attention. And if that isn't effective, he has other ways of impressing them. A bush. Very majestic. But when you are king of the steppe, there's always someone waiting to claim your crown. The challenger charges, ready to do battle. This could be a fight to the death. 70% of rutting males will die. The older male eventually begins to gain the upper hand. And with one final effort, he drives the young rival away. The king has kept his crown and his harem.